Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I won a prize from Donna Dreams times 3. So let's see. Oh, look at the little card. With the little bumblebee. Cute. Let me see. If it's a card or just she put it in there. Nope. It says, thank you so much for your support. Biggest hugs, Donna. That is such a cute. I know where I'm going to put that too. All right, let's see what I won. It's called Secret Word Giveaway. And on the back says Everyday Elegance. So that's what she called it. So Donna Time, I can't speak here. Donna Dream times 3 plus Jelly Bean have a sale like every 2 weeks. I will make sure I have Donna's channel linked in the description box below. So go over and check out her sales, guys. All right, let's see. Ooh, we got some pretty paper. Cool paper. Love the black and white and gray look. So pretty. And then we got some doilies. I was like, I couldn't for a minute there, I lost my train of thought. And then we got some small ones. So we got like medium-sized ones and small ones. And we got a little piece of this trim, I forgot, cameo. It's pretty. And this little tassel trim. These are cool though. I mean, everything's cool, but I've never seen these. I'm going to take one up. I don't know if you guys can see them through the package. They're like, they're like, I don't know if you guys can see. They've got like gray. Yeah, am I on camera? Probably not. It's like, it looks like marbling throughout them. That is cool. Those are cool. I've never seen them like that. It looks like a granite one. That's cool. Then there's one more little package here. Let's see. We got a piece of the silver mesh, black and white trim, a ribbon, it's cool, black, checkered, and then we have this, and it says Brazilian basic paper, some glitter trim, and last but not least, mustaches. That's cool. So it's like a little journal kit, I guess I can make. That's what I'm assuming. That's cool. I love the big black combo. Who knows what I'll come up with it? You never know. I'm that type of person. One person sees what. How am I going to say that? One person sees a way to do something with it, or what it might be meant for, and I see a whole different way, and then I'll just create. Love this paper though. And for some reason, I think I've seen this somewhere. I may have. I don't know. Looks very familiar to me. I think but I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Donna, for this lovely prize. I will have Donna's channel linked in the description box below. Like I said, her and Jelly Bean, every 2 weeks, I want to say, on Wednesdays, they go live and do a sale. And so go check them out, ladies. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.